Let's standing where you are, comfortable, spread out a little bit, have enough space for you to move your body. Yeah. So feet about shoulder width. I'm going to give you a little bit of challenge. Are we ready for some challenge? All right. So looks very simple, but you can experience some level of challenge as well, activation and the empowerment and the connection. So let's standing comfortably, straighten your spine. Lifting your hands, arms up slightly to your shoulder level in comfortable position. Just relax. Just notice. Then we're going to make the sound very simple. You experience the power of the sound already, yes? And we're going to use our own body as an instrument, creating a vibrational energy activation inside of you. So the sound, just one sound, like this. So think of your body as a crystal ball Mario playing. So you're generating this vibration, circulation, activation, empowerment inside of you. Okay, let's do one more. Let's keep doing in your own pace. Continue the sound. Then I'm going to introduce some movement while you stand in this position. So again, breathe in deeply. Continue louder, stronger, deeper in your own pace, activating the power, your own power, deeper, deeper, stronger, stronger, feeling it. Yeah. Now slowly move your body, continue making the sound. Circle into your left side. Slowly to the front. Continue to your right side. Circle into the front. Continue your sound, vibration, power, activation. Slowly to your left side. Continue the movement in your own pace, slowly, slowly, making the sound, feeling your body, connecting with your body. Continue vibrating deeper, deeper. Think of your bone is vibrating, your muscle is vibrating, your tissue is vibrating, your heart is vibrating, your kidney is vibrating, your digestive system is vibrating, Your immune system is vibrating. Your lung is vibrating. Every cell of your body is vibrating, awakening to the power, awakening to the power, awakening to life, awakening to the natural intelligence, awakening to its creativity, awakening to its highest purpose of life. Slowly circling to the front, relaxing, noticing, simply noticing. Slowly lifting your hands upward with your eyes closed. Relaxing to a comfortable position. Simply noticing. Simply aware. The power inside of you. The energy inside of you. The vibration inside of you. The wisdom inside of you, the creativity inside of you, continuously awakening, opening, flowing. Slowly move your hands down, gathering to energy brain. Slowly down, gathering to energy heart. Placing your hands on top of your chest. Feeling your heart. Feeling the pure energy of your big heart. Feeling the deepest intention, deepest desire, deepest purpose, deepest commitment for health, healing, happiness, fulfillment, connection with the wholeness of life, connection with the oneness of life, connection with the pure essence of life. Slowly open your hand to the side. Gently open your eyes, slowly, slowly. Thank you. Thank you.